Welcome. In the first movement, Professor Marshall erases the legacy of the lecture and the rubric.
This is the Great Restoration, Segment 1, the Deletion. The university core is evaporating.
Campuses are being replaced by factories of light.
Intelligence is now a manufactured resource. This isn't a shift, it's a total reclamation. Thinking at scale is now a public utility. Intelligence is a commodity, judgment is the only currency. I'm Ellis Marshall. Join me for Segment 2, the Materialization.
Movement 2. The signal is no longer a ghost in the machine, it is the architect's pen. Observe the sovereign hand.
The lecture is the slowest way to learn.
In the Agora, we don't grade, we build.
Rubric is dead. The prototype is alive.
Endless iteration builds the courage of the builder.
It turns the I can't into I haven't yet.
Remember, velocity without direction is noise. Orchestrate the chaos into order.
I'm Ellis Marshall. The signal is taking shape. Next, Segment 3, the deep restoration.
Movement 3. Evidence replaces ambition. Watch as the signal takes form. Here, we move from the blueprint to the proof.
A machine knows your intent, but is it deep?
If you lack domain depth, your prompts are hollow.
Greatness never comes from the average. The machine seeks the center. We seek the edge. Character cannot be downloaded. It is earned. Crucible is where we find our friction.
I'm Ellis Marshall. Our final word, Segment 4, the Sovereign Vow.
The final movement. The map and the terrain become one. The signal is coming from within. The Great Restoration. Segment 4. The Sovereign Vow.
Taste is knowing what is worth doing. It is the human ability to frame the unknown. We don't need prestige, we need proof. In the converted retail space, the Agora is the architecture of that proof. The signal is true, the terrain has changed. The scarcity of intelligence is over, the scarcity of judgment has begun. Direct the signal towards something beautiful.
Professor Marshall has left the Atelier. The factory is open, the signal is true. Go and make it beautiful.